Hello, and welcome to Bass-Mollett's Director's Print Suite video guide. My name is Carly, and I will be showing you the general navigation of the Director's Print Suite program. Today we will cover how to sign up for an account, how to log in, and how to use Forgot Password. Account settings, which include changing logos, adding staff members, changing passwords and/or emails. The Support tab. I will show you how to contact Director's Print Suite support, where to download Team Viewer, frequently asked questions, and more instructional videos. After that, I will show you all of the button functions on the homepage, which include recent print packages, editing, printing, tukios, archiving, and unarchiving. If you know what part you need, you can select that now or continue watching. To sign up or log in, you will need to go to the Google Chrome homepage and type in the URL, directorsprintsuite.com. This will navigate you to the Director's Print Suite homepage. From there, you will either select Log In or Sign Up. To sign up, you would need an email address, a funeral home name, your name, password, repeat password, and select Sign Up. To log in, you would select the login, type in your email and password, and select Login. If you forgot password, click right here, type in your email address used for the Director's Print Suite, and hit Submit. From there, you will receive an email on how to reset your password. Once you do so, click back to Login and select Login. Once signed in, you will see the Director Print Suite homepage. On the right side of the screen, you will see your name. Once selected, you can log out or go to your account settings. Once you add a staff member, you will have to put their name and email address, and they will get an email to sign up with Director's Print Suite. Once that happens, you will see all of your funeral home staff listed right here on the left-hand side. This feature will let all staff members work simultaneously on the account at any given time. The first user signed up will be the administrator. Everyone after that will be collaborators. If a staff member has already signed up with Director's Print Suite and needs to be added to your funeral home staff listing, please call customer support and we can merge the previous accounts together into a collaborator. On the Funeral Home Information tab is where you can upload or change your picture, change the funeral home name, and change the general manager name. The Account Settings tab is where you can change staff members' names, email addresses, and passwords. It is also where you can delete your account. To get back to the Director Print Suite homepage, select the Cases tab right next to Support. After that, you will be able to see your logo, which will be featured on all of the Director's Print Suite products. For more help with Director's Print Suite, you can select the Support tab and click Contact. This will list our toll-free number as well as our customer care hours in a Team Viewer download. For more help with the software, you can select the Frequently Asked Questions or the instructions with more how-to videos. This feature will be added in the next version. Going back to the homepage, you will see all of your recent print packages. If none are listed, you will need to create a new print package. This feature will be shown on our next how-to video. All cases will be listed by date entered into the Director Print Suite program. They will include the deceased name, the case number, the date of death, the status. These option buttons are hotkeys that will jump you directly to the part needed. The first key is the Edit button. From there, you can edit the information entered, change, add, or delete more pictures. The Print button. This will take you directly to your final print page where you then can select or deselect products from different programs and customize your product. Tukios. This button will take all of your information entered and take it straight to the Tukios website to where you can begin to make your videos. Archive. Once you are done with the case, you can archive the case and it will be deleted from your homepage. However, the cases aren't actually deleted, they are simply under the recent print packages under Archive. If there's a case that needs pulled back up, you simply just unarchive it and it goes back to your original print packages. For more how-to videos on the Director's Print Suite, please subscribe to our Vimeo page. Link can be found here, or on our Director Print Suite homepage under Support and Instructions. For more information on this video or Director's Print Suite, please feel free to contact our support team. Make sure to like, tweet, or follow us on our social media pages, and to watch out for more weekly videos. Thank you.